How to upload slide pictures on TikTok. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to upload slide pictures on TikTok. Start by opening the TikTok app on your phone. Tap the plus icon at the bottom center of your screen. Next, select Upload and choose the pictures you want to slide. After selecting the pictures, tap on Next. Now, you will see all your chosen pictures added and ready to slide. Tap Next again. Here, you can add captions and hashtags if you'd like. Finally, tap Post, and your pictures will be posted with a sliding effect. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.